Gian? Present, ma'am. Malinaw? Absent po. She's absent din? That's 3 times in a row. Oh, Karen, you're late again. Okay, class, you have an activity today. So, the activity is you're going to color this storybook and you're going to color this by pair. Understood? Yes, for teacher. And let's do this together. But I don't have crayon. It's okay. I have crayons in my bag. Okay. Okay, class. Dismiss. Karen, may I ask, why have you been so absent so often? No one gave me here, and no one picked me up. Sometimes I wake up late, and sometimes I don't even try. Oh, Karen, you still waiting?
Karen always absent.
It's because sometimes students are struggling to late. So as a teacher, we should help them, not shame them. So not shame them in front of the class.
That's true.
Yes. And we can solve every problem, but we can make the students feel supported. Oh, Lauren, you're early today. I don't want to miss your class. Teacher. Okay, class, what is this? Teacher. Yes, Karen. Teacher, that is a fish. Very good, Karen. Okay, that is the end of our discussion today. So, see you on Monday, kids.
Teachers cannot solve every problem a student faces at home. But teachers can listen, guide, encourage, and create a safe space for learning.